Howdy everyone, how are y'all today? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear or read all of your Gmail emails, because to be honest with you, I'm the type of person who just kind of reads what's important and I look at the titles and I'll just read those emails. But then the problem is you'll end up getting a million notifications and you'll have like a little red box in your home screen of all the emails that you have not read. And in this case, I already have 4,732 emails, and I found that it's actually a little bit confusing in how to do this on Gmail. So this quick tutorial is for you if you are just like me and awful when it comes to maintaining your inbox. So the first thing you really need to do is you just type this filter here is unread, and you type that there, boom. This will get all of your emails that have been unread and that you have not seen. Obviously you can go through it if you want to see if you might be missing something, but for myself I just say whatever. The next thing we do is we just click the select all, and the tricky part is you have to make sure you click this button here that says search all conversations that match this search. Once you click that, that will select every single email that is unread. Now after you do that, you simply just hit this more button and you mark it as read. And you have to confirm this bulk action because it might take a while for this to process, and once you hit OK, it'll take roughly about maybe 30 seconds to a minute for everything to be read if you have more than 2,000. And that is how you mark all of your Gmail inbox read. Hope that helps and that makes you more productive as an individual or contributor or whoever you are, and have a great day. Just in case you don't believe me, here's my inbox. It is completely red. Oh, let me just refresh it. It is completely clear and red.